Today we're going to take a look at the It Stix. This kit is called the Works, and when we open it up inside you'll see exactly why they call it the Works. Now we're going to open it up and you can see exactly why this is called the Works. It has a T-handle. We're going to go over all the different little products that you got in this. Before we forget, we've got two brass extensions that you can screw together. But you got your main component is your T-handle. You've got all the different bits to put in it. This is a tool for cleaning off your bolt carriers on your AR-15s. Your castle nut on your AR-15s. Double end attachment for changing all your, hooking it up with your brushes and stuff. A brass scraper for your AR. A front sight adjustment tool for your AR. Then we've got the different size hex bits, Torx bits, and then we're going to come over to this one. You got a universal shotgun choke tube removal. This is to remove your front sight on your Glocks. You got a pry bar, which you can also use to adjust nuts. You have individual torque limiters. They click when you get down to the proper torque. This one is 15 inch-pounds. This one is 25 inch-pounds. This one is 45 inch-pounds, and this one is 65 inch-pounds. All you've got to do is when you get to the right torque, it will click. You got a bushing tool for your 1911s. You got two flat screwdriver bits, two Phillips head screwdriver bits, and you've got several Allen wrench tools besides the ones we had earlier. So now I think, we got this 1/4 inch socket adapter in here too. So now I think you can see why they call this the Works. And we're going to have our final thoughts on this. I think now you can see why I was really impressed with this toolkit. It's good for everybody. It's got a lot of firearms. It's got most everything you need in it. They do have bigger kits and they have smaller kits according to your needs, and you can buy several components individually. I think this is great. I think I should have had one of these a long time ago. I think everybody needs to look at one, check out all they have at the website on the It Stix. Like and subscribe. See you next time.